Welcome to Modanique. Spring is the season when homes come alive again. Soft light fills the rooms, fresh flowers appear on tables, and even the smallest corners begin to feel brighter and more welcoming. In today's video, we're exploring how to decorate your home for spring in a way that feels elegant, natural, and effortlessly high-end. Instead of filling spaces with too many decorations, the secret is simple: seasonal blooms, fresh greenery, and soft botanical accents placed naturally throughout the home. From delicate bud vases on bedside tables to fresh herbs in the kitchen and beautiful floral arrangements in the living room, these small details can transform the atmosphere of a space. Let's explore how thoughtful spring touches can make your home feel fresh, refined, and beautifully inviting. One of the easiest ways to welcome spring indoors is by placing seasonal flowers naturally around the house. Instead of creating only one large arrangement, try adding small bouquets in different spaces, on a coffee table, an entry console, or a bedside table. Simple flowers like tulips, peonies, ranunculus, or cherry blossoms instantly bring softness and movement to a room. When arranged loosely in glass or ceramic vases, they feel elegant yet effortless, as if they were just gathered from a garden. These small floral moments quietly add beauty without overwhelming the space. Greenery is another secret to creating a refined spring home. Branches, herbs, and leafy plants introduce natural texture and calm energy into a space. A tall vase filled with olive branches beside a window, a small pot of rosemary in the kitchen, or cascading greenery on a shelf. These touches make a home feel alive and connected to nature, which is one of the key elements of high-end interior styling. decorating doesn't always require bold colors. Instead, focus on soft botanical tones, gentle sage green, warm cream, soft blush, and subtle floral patterns. These colors can appear through linen cushions, light throws, table linens, or delicate floral ceramics. When these accents are layered with neutral interiors, they create a fresh seasonal update without changing the entire space. Luxury interiors often feel special because of the details. A single flower in a bud vase, a marble tray with candles and greenery, fresh lemons beside flowers on a kitchen counter. These quiet moments of styling make a home feel curated rather than decorated. The idea is not to add more, but to place a few beautiful elements thoughtfully. Spring light itself is one of the most beautiful decorations. Open curtains allow sunlight to move through the rooms and let it illuminate flowers, fabrics, and textures. Natural light enhances colors, highlights greenery, and gives the entire home a soft seasonal glow. Spring decorating doesn't have to be complicated. With fresh flowers, natural greenery, and soft botanical accents, even the simplest spaces can feel elegant, calm, and beautifully refreshed. Sometimes, the most luxurious homes are the ones that feel natural and effortless. If you enjoyed these spring decorating ideas, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Modanique, and share it with someone who loves beautiful home interiors. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next inspiration.